I found a great place.
Hello.
Hello.
Ooh,
You see this?
Hey,
There's a key on the ground.
Oh,
Does anyone know the way out from here?
no.
Too bad. Too
Yeah,
late.
I mean, fucking we ball. Grab that shit.
No hesitation.
Yeah.
74 pounds, man.
Guys,
What?
do you hear that?
That was
What?
a jester.
No, I don't hear anything actually. I don't hear anything actually.
I hear nothing. There's nothing
I
here.
hear nothing. Yeah.
We're totally fine. We're totally fine. We're not screwed at all.
I don't
We're
hear
so
anything.
dead.
I don't hear anything actually.
I have 74 pounds of stuff. Oh,
Uh-oh.
guys.
Dead it.
Uh-oh. Oh, das ist over für mich, man.
Is someone willing to take this off my hands? Woo! Woo! Take me with you! Oh God! Alright, that was wondrous. Alright, that's what I'm here for. He shoved the coil out of the way.
Where's the dead end? Where was me?